Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. I am Michele Mazelle, and this is the channel for beauty and fashion for my women 40 and over and for black owned product reviews. It has been a while since I did a black owned business haul. I did not do one in September. I did do one for August, which was the black owned brands from Target. And I was just trying to find a store, an online store, black owned, that I could make a haul about. And I finally decided to go with this one, and so I'm excited to be sharing with you all a black owned business today. So if you want to know what I have in this box, what black owned business I'm going to be reviewing today, stay tuned. So the black owned business I'm going to be reviewing today is an activewear online store called Zoezi Sport, and it is all activewear. So let's go ahead and check out the website. So when you first get into the website, you will already see on the home page that they have their activewear collection displayed right on, so that you can know exactly what kind of store, what kind of company this is. You scroll down, you're able to see a lot of the products that they offer. And if you scroll back up to the top and you click on the three lines, then you're able to see the different sections that they have in their store. And of course they have the women's section, they have a men's section, a unisex section, swimwear. You can go particularly to tops, you can go particularly to bottoms, whatever you are actually looking for. So I'm going to click on the women's section because the women's section is going to show you everything they have, of course, for women. And when you click on there, there is this entire collection here in one area. You have sports bras, you have activewear pants, you have sweatshirts, you have an array of different types of clothing pieces that you can purchase that are definitely activewear. So this website is very friendly. It is very inviting. It definitely does, the way it's laid out, the way she has everything kind of put together. The visuals here is very visually appealing. So when I went on here, I was definitely drawn to just the different types of styles that she had, the different types of prints that she offered. And so that definitely did kind of persuade me enough to want to purchase. Now, as far as the shipping and handling, it took about 2 weeks, I think, to get here. There was kind of a misunderstanding because at first I thought that the company did not ship where I live, but she informed me that it was on the website that they did not ship here, but it needed to be changed because they actually do ship to my particular area. So I was glad about that. So it took about 2 weeks, which is not too bad. Remember, where I'm at overseas, sometimes especially for small businesses, it could take up to 4 weeks. So when I'm talking about 1 to 2 weeks work time, that to me is a pretty good time to get my items. If you're in the States, it might be a little quicker. So keep that in mind. But yeah, the shipping was definitely pretty quick for a small business. All right, so that is all for the website. So now let's get to what y'all really wanted to see, and that is what I purchased. So let's get to it. So it came in a box, of course, and so I have not opened it. I'm going to open it right now. And as usual, I have forgotten what I purchased. So this is always exciting to me, for me to actually pull out what I did purchase from the store. And I'm going to tell y'all right now, I did not buy a lot, because if you saw on the website, the clothing is not cheap. And a lot of people like to say, oh, well, 40-something dollars is not a lot of money, or it's very typical for you to pay $40 to $50. For me, it is not. And I'm just being real on that. I like my money to go far. So $40, $50 for leggings or sports bra, to me, is a lot of money, because that means I can't purchase a lot with that. I'm only able to purchase maybe two, activewear, two little outfits that I can wear for working out. To me, that's not a lot. So, when we're talking about $40, $50 for one piece, okay, Now take it, y'all, I mean, y'all can do the math. If you pay $40 for the bottoms and $40 for the matching sports bra, well, that's $80 that I'm spending for just one outfit. No, I can't, that's not up my alley. Okay, so I did not get a lot from there, just from this particular, just from that purpose alone. The sweatpants and the sportswear bottoms and tops were running about $40 to $50 per piece. So yeah, so this is what I purchased. I did end up purchasing 2 outfits, and then I purchased a sweatshirt is what I ended up purchasing. All of this together was $227 for this little bit of stuff. So if you're somebody who, you know, is kind of tight on your budget, or that's just not something that you want to spend that much money for activewear, okay, not something I'm going to wear to work, but something I'm going to work out in, then you need to keep that in mind. But I'm going to see, once I try it on, if it's even worth, you know, charging $40 for a piece of activewear that I'm going to wear to work out. Yeah, we will see that when I try it on. All right, so let's get to the trying on. So this is activewear number 1. And from the moment I took it out of this package, I knew that this was going to be a very good piece of activewear. It is very soft feeling. I can already tell it's going to be durable. The type of material that it is just so wonderfully feeling on my skin. And I know that once I start working out and sweating and things like that, I'm not going to feel uncomfortable. I'm not going to feel weighed down. I'm going to have a very comfortable and lightweight exercising experience with this activewear. And I'm going to go ahead and let you know about the top of this activewear. A lot of times when I purchase activewear, because I'm very top heavy, it does not cover everything. So most of the time I still have to wear a bra when I have any type of activewear on, unless I have gotten it specifically for my bra size. But if it's just like this, like a general size, you know, a large or whatever, then I always have to wear a bra. And most of the time it's still kind of spilling out on the sides, but this one has everything covered. If I did not want to wear a bra with this, which I probably still would have to do that, I would feel comfortable going out to the gym with this on and not feeling like all my stuff is hanging out. It's a razor back sports bra. And so of course, if you do wear a bra with it, or if I do wear a bra, then I'd have to wear my bra that crisscrosses. Definitely don't want to see that if I'm going to the gym. So let's talk about the bottoms. I love shorts to work out. I just feel a lot more comfortable that way, and I don't feel so hot when I have on a pair of shorts. And these are just the right length, of course, and I can lift my legs up and I don't feel like they're riding. Sometimes I've had activewear that are shorts that kind of ride up. I like that I'm able to kind of pull it up here so that it can kind of cover up the mid area here. Yeah, overall this is, yeah, I'm loving it. I'm loving it. I don't feel bad about spending however much I spent on the top and the bottoms, because that money is definitely worth it. I love the print of this. It's a greenish color. It has their name on the sides of it, up and down on the sides of it. And oh, it's just, isn't it? It's, I mean, come on. Can you see going to the gym with this? I mean, I will be going right onto the gym. I have not been to the gym since the pandemic because the gym is a little weird out here where I'm at. But if I was going to the gym, I definitely would be going in style. So this is activewear number 1 from Zoezi Sports. And yes, this is definitely 2 thumbs up. This is activewear number 2. Yes, loving this. You all loving this. I am just like, yeah. So the material feeling is just like the same for the first one I tried on. Of course, this one, the print is a leopard print. And I love leopard print. And so when I saw this, I was just like, yeah, but to add that to my collection, most definitely. Again, it is shorts, and it again is a racer back. It covers up everything like the green one. And yeah, this is basically the same type of fit, but just a different print. So yes, this is activewear number 2. And again, I'm giving this 2 thumbs up. And the last thing I bought is this black sweatshirt. And I bought a sweatshirt because I don't have a sweatshirt, and there's some times where I want to be casual but it's cold outside and I don't want to wear a hoodie. So I bought this sweatshirt. It is just a basic black sweatshirt, nothing spectacular, but as far as the inside, it has that type of material that's very soft in the inside, so I'm loving that. It is extra wide, extra big, so it gives me a little room. Of course, I can wear this with this if I wanted to, or I can wear it with a pair of slacks, or not slacks, a pair of jeans, or I could wear it with a pair of slacks or a pair of sweatpants or something like that. So yeah, I saw they have different colors on here, so it's just not black. But yeah, I saw that and decided that I definitely needed a sweatshirt. So I bought a sweatshirt, and just like with the other items I tried on, I am loving the sweatshirt. And yeah, very comfortable. And this is the last thing that I bought from Zoezi Sport. So that is it for all the items that I purchased at Zoezi Sport. So if you're looking for a black owned business that sells activewear, please give Zoezi Sport a try. I absolutely loved everything that I purchased. I am Michele Mazelle. Make sure that you like and subscribe, and I will see you all in the next video.